Hello good day viewers. In this tutorial we are going to evaluate the limit of the function the absolute value of x minus 5 divided by x plus 2 multiplied by the square root of x plus 2 minus the square root of 12 minus x as the value of x approaches 5 from the left hand side. Alright, let's get started. First of all, let us substitute x equal to 5 directly and see what happens. If you substitute it here, you have the absolute value of 5 minus 5, which is the absolute value of 0, which is equal to 0, right? So you have 0 to the top. What about the bottom? You see here we have 5 plus 2, which is 7, multiplied by square root of 5 plus 2, which is square root of 7, right? We have square root of 7 minus square root of 12 minus 5, which is also square root of 7. You see square root of 7 minus square root of 7 is 0, and 0 times 7 is still 0. So we have 0 divided by 0 situation, which is indeterminate. Therefore, we are going to simplify this function a little bit. For now, forget about the limit. Let me simplify first. I would like to factor out 1 divided by x plus 2. So I have 1 divided by x plus 2 outside. Then inside we have the absolute value of x minus 5. We divide it by the square root of x plus 2 minus the square root of 12 minus x. So now I would like to multiply the top and the bottom by the conjugate of the denominator. We have minus here. We are going to use plus sign. So I'm going to multiply this by square root of x plus 2, then plus the square root of 12 minus x. I'll do the same thing to the top. We have square root of x plus 2, then plus the square root of 12 minus x. So this is what we have. Let us simplify the top and the bottom separately. This is going to give us 1 divided by x plus 2 outside. Then inside to the top, I will leave it like that. As to the bottom, we have difference of 2 squares, right? You take the first time, you square that, which is square root of x plus 2 squared, then minus the second time, which is square root of 12 minus x, also squared. The reason why we say they are difference of 2 squares, you look at them, they are exactly the same, only difference of sign. This is minus and this is plus, so they are difference of 2 squares. This is equal to 1 divided by x plus 2 multiplied by to the bottom. If you square this, it will cancel the square root, leaving only x plus 2 minus. If you square this, it will cancel the square root, but this minus is going to distribute over the 2 terms. So we have minus 12, then plus x. This is equal to 1 divided by x plus 2 multiplied by divide by. Here we have x plus x, which is equal to 2x. And 2 minus 12 is negative 10. And if you observe, both 2x and 10 have a common factor of 2. So we can factor out 2 from the 2 terms. So this is equal to 1 divided by x plus 2 multiplied by divide by x minus 5, because I'm going to factor out the 2. I want to bring it out here. If you take this 2, you distribute inside, you're still going to get 2x minus 10. All right, from here we can apply our limit. But first of all, let us simplify the absolute value of x minus 5. You know, it could be negative or positive, but we don't know. But remember that our limit is approaching 5 from the left hand side. So let us look at it on the number line. If you have a number line here, suppose this is 5. Values of x are approaching 5 from the left hand side, meaning all the values here are less than 5. Therefore, x is less than 5, right? And if you subtract 5 from both sides, you have x minus 5 less than 0, which means that what? X minus 5 is indeed negative. It means that absolute value of those content x minus 5 are negative. So this is equal to 1 divided by 2x plus 2 multiplied by negative x minus 5, right? Then multiply by the square root of x plus 2 plus the square root of 12 minus x. You divide by x minus 5. So from here you can see x minus 5 will cancel x minus 5. This will cancel this. What do we have to the top? Let me bring it back. This is equal to negative the whole of the square root of x plus 2 plus the square root of 12 minus x, right? Divide by 2x plus 2. So from here, I can apply my limit directly. Remember that this is what? The limit as x approaches 5 from the left-hand side. So let us substitute x equal to 5 and see. So this is equal to negative the square root of x, which is 5 plus 2, then plus the square root of 12 minus 5 to the top, and to the bottom we have 2 multiplied by x is 5 plus 2. So this is equal to negative 5 plus 2 is 7, so we have root 7 plus 12 minus 5 is also 7, so we have another root 7. To the bottom we have 2 multiplied by what? 5 plus 2 is 7. To the top we have root 7 plus root 7, which is 2 root 7, right? But we have a negative sign outside, so we have negative 2 root 7 divided by what? 2 multiplied by 7. So 2 will cancel 2, right? All we have is negative root 7 divided by 7. So this is equal to negative root 7 divided by 7, which is approximately equal to negative 0.378. Final answer. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.